What are some of the natural trazodone alternatives? Well, I'm very glad you asked because this is what we do here. So first one would be individual cognitive behavioral therapy, dialectical behavioral therapy, exercise. As far as supplementation, tryptophan is one of the direct precursors to serotonin. Tryptophan also helps with sleep because serotonin forms melatonin on the north side of the brain barrier. SAMe. SAMe, you would not want to take this if anxiety was your predominant feature, or if you do take it, you'd want to take it in much smaller doses than like maybe 50 milligrams as opposed to 100 or 200 milligrams, because SAMe could kick off more anxiety. Omega fatty acids, vitamin D, testing for and clearing out neurotoxins lodged in the body. Acupuncture, controlled breathing techniques, biofeedback, dietary changes, especially ones that get you on more organic food, things that have the right components of vitamins and minerals, certain herbal supplements such as St. John's wort, just getting out in the fresh air and sunshine, yoga, reflexology, massage therapy, sound and music therapy, and things that support a healthy microbiome with probiotics and a corrected diet.